All right, y'all, video number 2 and the last video for today, Thursday, January 9th, 2025. The theme is opening what I have the most of. And we started out with a 1988 Top Super Jumbo Pack, which I've got about a dozen. We then went to a 1990 Top Super Jumbo Pack, which I have a couple of. Grab my coffee, my chaser, not that I need it for this. We just did video 1 of a 1993 Bowman Jumbo Pack, and here's video 2 of another 93 Bowman Jumbo Pack. There's 22 cards in this pack. They're super premium cards, and this came from my Jumbo Pack box. And take a look at that first video. Now, these cards are notorious for sticking. And we're going to bend them just a little bit in hopes that we can get any cards that might have been stuck together unstuck. I'm sure we'll still have some, and we probably will come across some damage, but hopefully not. All right, let's start with Jose Vieira. A lot of rookies in this set. A lot of rookies. Mike James. Joel Shimelis. Ben Bloomdahl. Pedro Grifol. Yeah. So far, I haven't recognized anybody. Daryl Henderson. Okay, we've got usually have 2 rookie prospect cards. Here's one of Brian Taylor. Set these right there. Separate that one, and we'll separate this one from the second. Come on. There we go. Our second one is Carlos Delgado. That name sounds familiar. I'm sorry. This Brian Taylor was the top prospect. Carlos Delgado is a Player of the Year card, but very similar fronts. All right, back to the cards. We've got Aaron Small. Not seeing any issues yet. We've got Julio Bruno. Reggie Sanders. That name sounds familiar. Greg McMichael. Checking these backs, make sure there isn't a card stuck to it. Rob Dibble. That's an interesting photo for Rob, and definitely familiar with him with the Cincinnati Reds. Chad Curtis. That looks like a funky running pose. Wilson Alvarez. Steve Buechele. There's a familiar name. Joe Oliver. Bernard Gilkey. Carlos Quintana. Rafael Palmeiro. Joe Randa. And finally, Wally Joyner for the Kansas City Royals. Must have got traded from the Angels. All right, there we have it. 1993 Bowman Jumbo Pack, 22 cards. Does not look like we incurred any damage due to cards sticking together. So good deal on that. We'll add that to the cards of the first pack. And there's our 44 cards. All right, y'all. Appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for some more pack openings tomorrow.